Here we have the basil distillation, which has been running for about 2 hours now, and we've started to collect essential oil. You can see the essential oil sitting just here on top above the hydrosol. Hydrosol is basically pure water imbibed with the properties and the essence of the plant. So it does have fragrance, but not as much, not as powerful as that essential oil. So this really is the key. And we'll be able to tap that off. You can see the drip rate happening there. So, but we're collecting every single drop because both of these are really valuable in skincare products. It's very versatile, has lots of application, excellent medicinal properties, everything from skin toners through to insect repellent. Sounds a bit potent, doesn't it? But it's actually a very valuable plant, very useful. And here we've got the iced water still pumping through. We'll remove the excess water and add more cubes of ice. Probably need about 10 blocks before we finish the whole distillation. This was a really nice crop of basil, and hopefully it might produce about 10 to 12 mils of essential oil. So we'll come back in a couple of hours and hope we can collect that. Okay, over and out.